What's going on, everybody? We are here in Orlando, Florida, and it is a good time so far. I got to give a huge shout out to the Tomfoolery Motorsports, all the Pags, Kraken and Jester. We worked at their shop in the middle of the week, and they are a great bunch to be around. A lot of fun there. So we are getting ready to tire up now. I just finished putting my body on. Had to do a nice little spray paint touch-up job on it. Had a lot of fiberglass work this past weekend, but she is a good 25 yarder, and we are happy with that. We're just gonna make it till the last. We have another one at the shop, but we're trying to get the most out of we can with this. So Mike, what are you doing now?
Well, you know, apparently Giselle is on her time of the month and leaking everywhere, so trying to clean up all the oil off my rear steer motor and the wonderful great generators we have. Decided to fry every onboard charger in our trailer, in our trucks, burned up electrical outlets in the trailer. So now we get to rewire our onboard chargers with brand new ones. Thanks, United. This will be a good sales pitch for you guys. And we're gonna be back to 100 here in about an hour, and we'll go park for pit party and wait until tomorrow.
So yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wire in some new onboard chargers. We're gonna get these things cleaned up, parked for pit party, and we will see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It is race day here in Orlando, Florida, and it is a beautiful day. We are just about to kick pit party off. We're about to see all the great, amazing Monster Jam fans. We're looking to have a great night here, and hopefully we can take on the momentum from last weekend and carry on another racing win. We're back to the paperclip style, berm style track, so hopefully we can have some good luck. We had a good practice yesterday. Trucks are right and tight, 110%, so we will see what happens. Check it out. You doing, Mike?
7 shots.
You ready for tonight?
Ready.
Let's do it. You gonna win anything?
Sure the hell gonna try. Got my Soulful Bee gummy, already took it, amped up, ready to go. Gonna kick some ass now.
I'm talking about. We are here. We just got staged for intros. We're doing our last minute once over in the trucks, setting shocks for racing, and we are going to have some fun tonight. The Orlando crowd is into it. Pit party was electric. All the Monster Jam fans from Florida, they're different creatures, man, but they are awesome. I love coming here, competing in front of them, and we're gonna hopefully put this big bad blue Velociraptor back in the winner's circle. guys, it's halftime right now. We did not have the luck we were looking for in racing. We got out-edged by Kayla Blood and Soldier Fortune, but kudos to her for making it to the the racing finals against Camden Murphy and Bakugan Dragon. She's definitely improved a lot this year. It's a little bumming on my end because, you know, you're coming off a high, winning racing, and of course you want to keep that going, but just didn't work out tonight. But you know what? It is what it is. We're gonna keep our head high. We're gonna keep rolling. Had a pretty nice two-wheel skills. I was able to do a nice little stoppy moonwalk and then carried it out, and then did another one and was able to get it back up on the back wheel, 2 tires, and walk it out there. So it was pretty cool. Mikey tried something new, didn't really work out so well. The dirt here is really slimy. They put a lot of dirt down, or a lot of water down right before intros, so it takes normally a couple passes for it to work itself in. But we got the trucks all set up for freestyle, adjusted our shocks. The crowd, as you can see behind me, they're electric. Packed house here tonight. We're looking to have some fun. Well, we just wrapped up here in Orlando, and The high hopes of me doing good in racing did not go so well. Yeah, but you know, it is part of racing. You know, you're gonna have good ones, you're gonna have bad ones, but had an awesome two-wheel. Pretty proud about that. Had a pretty killer freestyle. Held first for a while until Adam Anderson and Gravedigger went out there and absolutely laid it down. So congrats to him for taking the freestyle win. Much deserved there. Mikey here?
Yep. Another week. Another tore up truck. Another fantastic, great scores that I always seem to get. I did choke on my two-wheel. My two-wheel was pretty embarrassing. I should have took 16th out of 12th because I fumbled massively on my popper or stoppie or whatever the hell you guys call it nowadays. I don't even know, but it did not work. So I guess I'll practice a little bit more on that one. Racing. Pretty sure Cam didn't beat me by a good solid 5 seconds. Someone here told me that the track was tacky. It was not tacky. And it's all good. Make it around. Get, I don't know where I finished in freestyle. I think 7th, maybe 8th. I don't know. We'll, truck's already back together. Just gotta have my wife do some more fiberglass work. And we should be good for Detroit. Hopefully we can burn it down in Detroit Saturday and Sunday and come back out on top.
Hey guys, so if you guys like what we're doing, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We appreciate all the feedback, the comments that you guys have been leaving in the past. Also, a huge shout out to Mikey Valters Jr. with V2 Vids. Without him, man, this whole behind the scenes vlog life, I don't think it'd be possible. He is like the GOAT of it. So mad props to him. He's a very good friend of mine. Me and him kind of go way back, and he's helped me out in the past with some of the videos. So huge shout out to him. If you're not already following us, make sure you follow him as well, V2 Vids, and check him out.